We're excited to announce the East Quad Renovation project. It's happening soon, and we're going to have a renovated and more beautiful East Quad. There are two parts to the project. One is below ground and one is above ground. Above ground, you see these old elm trees. Professional arborists tell us that they are past lifespan. Some of them are unfortunately diseased, and the wood within them, in the trees and the trunks and the roots, is weakened. We're going to replace all of these elm trees, and in addition, all of the foliage around the East Quad. So we're going to get more trees, more beautiful foliage that rotates more color throughout the seasons.
For the East Quad renovation, the trees are going to be taken down because they are old and dying. There's infrastructure issues, but also they have reached the end of their lifespan. And since we can't have them being a hazard to any people, we can give the new trees a better space for them and for future students.
This new construction that will replace these old aging trees is really ambitious, but I think as a student, I think it's worth it. And I feel like this construction is necessary for student safety.
All of the wood will be sustainably recycled. We're able to salvage a portion of it for the art department. Below ground, there's a network of water and utility lines servicing Boylan and Ingersoll. These lines are also old, and some of the roots of these trees have gotten into the pipes and the tunnels beneath the ground of the East Quad. All of these lines and pipes will be replaced, ensuring the service to the East Quad and Boylan are strong and vital for generations to come. The East Quad is a place of relaxation. It's a place of comfort, it's a place of study, and it's a place of exceptional beauty. We plan to preserve the historic nature of the beauty and the look of the East Quad while we enhance everything about it. This is an exciting time for Brooklyn College, and I hope you share the anticipation of the East Quad that's coming. Thank you, everyone.